Hey y'all, Dave with Weber Smokes here. We're going to make a quick and easy cornbread on the Weber Smokey Mountain, so stay tuned. All right, let's get started. We're going to start off with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to use 1 cup of cornmeal. You can use any kind of cornmeal you want to. Next, we're going to start out with 1/4 cup of sugar. Then we're going to use 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to pour it in the palm of my hand. We need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We're going to mix the dry stuff up first. Now we're going to add our eggs, 3 eggs. One and 1/4 cups of buttermilk. Half cup of vegetable oil. And I got 3 tablespoons of butter.
Testing one.
2, 3. Right now I've got my Weber Smokey Mountain heating up to 350. We want to maintain that temperature as close as we can. And we want to bake it for about, 30 to 40 minutes. I've got the cast iron pan heating up in the Weber Smokey Mountain, and I'm going to pour this batter in the hot greased cast iron pan. That's the way you want to do it. I've got a little bit of butter flavored Crisco I'm going to melt in this pan, and I'm going to make sure and get the sides real good and everything. There we go. We pour the batter in there. It's been about 40 minutes. Check it with a toothpick. It's coming up dry. Only drawback about this is, you see all those black specks? Yeah, that's probably from the wood that I had down in the coal. It doesn't really bother me that much. I don't think it's going to hurt anything, but it looks pretty good all in all. It turned out fairly well. We're going to take it off, bring it in, and cut it. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. And look at that crust, will you? Let's give this thing a taste. That is some awesome cornbread. Now we're going to take this cornbread, going to go inside the house. I've got a mess of pinto beans that I've been cooking in the Instant Pot with some bacon. And we've got some greens. And we're going to make us a little plate. All right, I'll see you inside. Well, I want to thank you all for joining me on this cook. I appreciate all of you who watch my videos. If you liked the video, click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing it. Click that red subscribe button down below and ring that bell. And leave me a comment. I'd like to know what you think. Well, until next time, folks, this is Dave Weber. Cheers.